Hi, I'm Alicia with Hadali Toys, and I want to introduce you to a very different way to play with a very familiar toy. These are Hadali Toys construction blocks, designed for children as young as 1 and up. These magnetic toy construction blocks have been developed with safety and education as the main design priorities.
This is a very different toy. I like the Hadali blocks because, aside from all of the cool things the kids can do with them, the developers have gone to great lengths to make this a very safe product, not just in terms of the kids, but the environment as well.
Hadali blocks are made from PLA, a biodegradable material that includes sustainable items such as tapioca roots, sugarcane, and cornstarch. This means that when your kids are done playing with the blocks, your kids' kids won't find them in the backyard.
They also don't have any sharp corners. The magnets are fully embedded in the body, which by the way does not have any seams. So the magnets stay where they belong, in the blocks.
There's also no paint, so if the kids decide to put them in their mouths, they will not swallow any volatile organic compounds. These blocks are also incredibly educational. My kids have learned to count and identify shapes and colors. They've also learned important STEM values, such as magnetism and abstract thinking. The building alone entertains them for hours, which means less television time and more exploration of the real world through play. We even have the option of personalizing each block with my kids' names, and you can even get specific sets of colors. So if someone wants just purple, guess what? They can get just purple.
They come in this cool lunchbox, and they come in sets of 26, 50, 100, 150, and 200.
And the colors are pink, red, blue, purple, yellow, and orange.
This is a very thoughtful product because it's coming from a very thoughtful company. Not only is this product friendly to your kids and the environment, Hadali Toys donates to community partners that support higher education, college funds, assistance with student loans, and schools in need.
That means a lot to us who stand behind the product. And it feels good to know that we're purchasing a product that goes beyond play.